Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Fontaines DC. We had them here before on this channel, and this time we have Roman Holiday. So we like this group here on Gordon Guitar Fontaines DC, and if you do that, subscribe to this channel and you will get more from them in future. That I can promise. So Fontaines DC Roman Holiday, it's about 2 chords. So it's C and E minor, and we don't need any capo for this one, so that's great. So let's look at the chords first. C, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is E minor. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Great. Now let's look at the strumming pattern. We will use the chords. It goes back and forth through the entire song. So C to E minor, C, E minor like this. And we will use one strumming pattern. So C is the first chord. Let's play that with the strumming. And it will be like this. So one round will be down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, we will try to emphasize certain downs and ups, but to begin with, it's down, down, up. We can start there. So down, down, up. We can call that part 1, since it's good if we can divide it into 2 different parts, because we want to add some notes later on. So the first part of the strumming, down, down, up. Okay? And the second part will be down, up, down, up. So down, up, down, up. So if we connect these 2 parts, 1 and 2, it will be down, down, up, and then down, up, down, up. I like to emphasize the down, down, up, the first or the second down in part 1. So down, down, up, and then the 2 ups in the part 2, down, up, down, up. So with that emphasized, you will get a certain rhythm here and a feeling for the strumming. So it will be like this. Now I exaggerate a little bit just to emphasize and show you what I mean. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Like this. So with the normal playing, it will sound something like this. So on. All right, so you can say the basic here for the song, it will be 2 strumming rounds per chord. So C, C, E minor, minor, back to C, C, E minor, E minor, and it goes like this, and the whole song. All right, so you can also add some notes. It's not the easiest way to emphasize them that much when you strum and play, but it's great to know where they are, so you can try to get them, and you will maybe just get a hint of it in the background, and that's great. So it doesn't always have to be like that prominent, the notes and melodies like this. Just great to know where you have them and to try to highlight them a little bit. All right, so for the C, you will play this. So what I did there, I just played 1 full strumming round, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then part 1, down, down, up. And then comes the 3 notes that we just want to play here. And you find that on the B string, it's 3rd on B string, 1st on B string, and open B string. And then you immediately change to the E minor. So it goes like this slowly. Right, so again. And you hear them there in the background, and that's great, right? And then you shift to E minor. You will play the same now. So 1 full strumming pattern plus part 1, and then we have 3 new notes to try to get here. So it will be right, and the 3 notes was open B, 2nd G, and 2nd D. All right, so open B, 2nd G, and 2nd D. And this part is a little bit harder than the C, since it's very close to the bass strings, and that gets a little bit blurry when you try to emphasize notes. It's easier to separate the melodies here on the top strings than the bass strings and middle strings. So it's a little bit more blurry, but you know where they are, so you can try to hit them. And if you do hit 1 or 2 of them, that's great. So it could sound something like this for E minor. Right. So together, a couple of rounds of C and E minor will sound like this. With melody. All right, so that is pretty much what Fontaines D.C. Roman Holiday is all about when it comes to the playing. So C, E minor, 2 chords and 3 easy notes per chord and 1 strumming pattern. That's it. So hope that helps. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you soon, of course. So come back here and let's play together. Play tuned.